What happened? You went to the doctor.
Doctor?
What happened at the doctor?
Doctor?
Mm-hmm. Did you get a shot?
Shot.
Did it feel good?
Did it feel...
Did you like it shot? Like it shot?
Did you not like it?
Where'd you get a shot?
It hurt. Medicine.
Medicine hurt?
It better.
Yeah, it did make you better. It made you better, didn't it? Yeah?
It worked.
All better.
It was hit.
Hmm?
Did you get hurt stickers?
He's trying to say Band-Aid. Band-Aid? You had Band-Aids.
It's pickle. A pickle.
It was broccoli.
Yuck.
Don't throw it. Simon, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
How about you?
Say I love mommy.
I want you, me.
Who?
Like
I love you, mommy. What about daddy?
there.
Where's daddy? I love you, daddy.
How about you, Daddy?
What about brother?
There.
I love you, brother.
Butter.
And Jesse?
Just.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.